चिखले पुलिशेचे जे क्वॉर्टर्स आसा तांची स्थिती सामकी दयनीय जाल्या. इमारत पळयल्यार मनशाक रावपाच्या लायकीची ना. इमारतींत गळटा तशेंच ती मोडकळीक पावल्या. इमारत 30 ते 40 वर्सां पोरणी आसून तिचें मेंटेनन्स जावंक ना म्हण ती मोडकळीक पावल्या. ह्या इमारतीचें टेस्टिंग करतले म्हण म्हायती पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर चिखलेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Look at the condition, you look at the building, you go inside and see. I feel somehow the police personnel who are most important for us, home department is most important, but the quarters that are allotted to the policemen are in totally dilapidated condition. I will say it is unfit for staying if you look at the condition. Nevertheless, we are scientifically doing NDT tests, that is non-destructive test, buildings of the PWD buildings department. Once that test is done, we will come to know whether they can, after repairing it will be fit to stay, or whether we will have to demolish the building. It is in such a bad shape. If you go a little further, all the sewage is flowing from all the chambers. So these were built some 30-40 years ago, so no maintenance was done. Obviously this condition will happen. So I have asked the engineer to see that NDT report comes as early as possible. Once the report comes, estimate will be prepared and we will be following it up on a day-to-day basis. I will even speak to the PWD minister and the chief minister to see that this gets priority, because it is the police personnel, they need a decent living, not where there is threat to their life, that while sleeping the whole building may collapse. It is literally in that condition. So let the reports come and we will see that action is taken.
The estimate for the NDT test, plus pre-monsoon estimate also submitted for the external repairs, tiles, plaster, water cracks are there. That also submitted. Now it is about to pass. So after issuing the work order, we will start that work also, pre-monsoon work. So that also we are going to do within the 10-15 days. So that also on the way to come. So we have prepared the estimate, and sometimes the funds problem is there from police department. So because of that, it is getting delayed.